Hi, Cody. I'll try and make this really quick. I just wanted to show you that I'm impersonating you right now. So this is me actually looking at what your account looks like. So if you have an assignment that you want to hand in, there's a number of ways you can do that. You can go to the Dropbox icon, or even if you scroll down here, you can look through the calendar of events, and you can actually look through the calendar so that you can see when things are due. So we're talking about the Dropbox assignment that was due on the 10th. When you see that calendar event, you can actually click on the calendar event, and that will also take you to the Dropbox. So this right here is a link. So whether you access it through here, through the content, or through the calendar, those are the ways that you want to get to the Dropbox. So I'm pretty sure you were asking about activity 1 because you stated it was due on the 10th. So there's a number of things that can go wrong as you're trying to hand something in. And so one of the key things students think is that they put the assignment here, but this is simply just like a text box that shows up if there's something that you want me to know, such as we had a conversation and it's okay for me to hand this in late. The key thing is that you want to add a file. And if it's a Google Drive, like a document or whatever it may be from your drive, or if you've saved it to your computer, then you can just upload them from there. The key thing is that you make sure right below here that a file will attach, that this isn't blank, that when you add a file, I'm just going to do it for the sake of, that it should show you, just as an example, I know this is not the document, but we're going to add that, and that it will show up right here. If that is the wrong document, that means it's been uploaded to this, then you can just click on that and say, no, I don't want to hand that in. Okay, so once you have a document that's there, you must click submit. So it has to be uploaded here and it has to be submitted there. When you've done that, then what you should be able to do is to go to, and it may take a bit for it to recognize, it may not be automatic that when you go to the Dropbox that it shows it, but if it says not submitted, the chances are that it's not. So you need to make sure that if that says not submitted and you haven't got a notification or an email verifying your Dropbox submission, then it's likely not. So if you have any other further problems submitting your assignments, please let me know. I'm happy to help.